Hi friends, welcome to another awesome video. Today I am going to show you how to download and install VLC Media Player onto your PC. First, open your browser. Now search for VLC Media Player and hit enter. Now open this site. I will leave a link in the description so that you can directly download from it. This is the official site for downloading the VLC Media Player. Now click on this download VLC button. The VLC Media Player will start downloading automatically. Now open this file. Now run this executable file to start the installation of VLC Media Player. Now click on this S button. Now choose the language in which you want the VLC Media Player. I am choosing English, you can choose anyone that you like. Now click on this OK button. Now click on this next. Now read these terms and conditions. If you agree with them, then click on this next button. Leave this to default and click on next. Now click on this install button. The installation of VLC Media Player is started now. The installation of VLC Media Player is completed now. You can see that the VLC Media Player icon is added to your desktop. Now click on this finish button. This pop-up will open up to ask the network condition permissions. Leave those to default and click on this continue button. Now you can drag and drop any media file into this VLC Media Player to play it. Now I am dragging and drop this media file. You can see this media file is playing now. Now I will show how to make VLC Media Player as the default media player for your PC. Now click on this start button and go to settings. Now go to the apps, tap on this default apps. Now scroll down, click on this video player. Now choose the VLC Media. Hit this switch anyway button. That's it friends. From now onwards, VLC Media Player is the default media player app. From now onwards, there is no drag and dropping, just opening the media file to play on the VLC Media Player. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Like, share and comment below, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. This is Tunal with me, and I will catch you in the next one.